Today we're going to do MC 54 through 58. What the purpose of the lesson is to move from the balance that we're using in the drawing model to shorten and use numbers instead of our thinking clouds. The problem is 2x plus 9 equals 4x plus 5. Please write it. What we're going to do is the same steps. We're going to work with the side that has the most unknowns. 4x is the most unknowns. We're going to work with 4x plus 5. What can I do to this side that will balance, keep my scale balanced? I could take away 5 tiles from each side. And instead of drawing it, as we did with our scales, I'm going to use numbers to represent that. I'm going to take 5 tiles away from each side. Write it. What are we left with? 2x is still 2x. 9 minus 5 will give me 4. 4x remains 4x. Plus 5 and minus 5, if you remember, is the additive inverse. It equals 0. I'm left with 2x plus 4 equals 4x. Write it. Now in my thinking cloud, in the checks and balances, I would be thinking, what else can I take away and have both sides still be equal? I still have unknowns. What unknowns could I take away from each side and still leave it balanced? I could take away 2 unknowns from each side. When I do the same thing to each side of the equal sign, it is still balanced. The equation is still equal. Write it. Now let's simplify. 2x minus 2x is 0. I'm left with plus 4 equals 4x minus 2x is 2x. I'm left with 4 equals 2x. Write it. In the next thinking cloud, I would be thinking, 2 groups of what is equal to 4? Instead of writing it, I'm going to do it with math. And I do that by dividing by 2. I divide both sides by 2. Write it. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2x divided by 2 equals x. My answer is 2 equals x. Remember, we're not done with the problem until we put our solution into our original equation. 2 there was x, I'm going to be putting 2 in. 2 times 2 plus 9 equals 4 times my solution, 2 plus 5. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 9. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 5. 4 plus 9 is 13 equals 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 equals 13 is a true statement. Sorry.
That's good. Very good.
Okay.